Hey y'all, welcome to whatever you want to call this show now. It's just me, Paula, sharing a few laughs and recipes with you here in my kitchen, and I have to tell you, I have thoroughly enjoyed it, and I hope y'all have too, and I plan to never stop spending this time with y'all. As long as y'all have me in, I'm gonna slip in your door. So, you know, to me, it's just good to forget about everything that's not positive, just for 15, 20, 30 minutes, and just relax and let your guard down and laugh at yourself or laugh at somebody else. So the recipe that I'm wanting to share with y'all today, I'm still a little confused. I know that football has started back, but I don't know if they're letting folks in to watch it, because I have seen some games where there's pictures of folks like sitting in the seat.
In most college ball, they're letting like a third.
Okay,
So
Teresa said in college games they're letting about a third of the number that is there.
Yes.
Letting them in. So I know tailgating probably is not as fast and furious as it was before the
You know what, though?
pandemic.
I think it's bigger at homes now. Like people are
Oh,
sitting at
yeah,
home
tailgating
watching
at
it,
home,
people
yeah. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. So that way you can have who you want and as many as you want. So tailgating at home. I can see Jamie or Bobby Deen doing
Absolutely.
that. I can see Anthony Groover doing that.
Mm-hmm.
I can see Michelle and Daniel doing that. I can see Kari and Brian doing
Me
that.
too.
Well, that's all of our children. So this is one of those great recipes for tailgating. And this is from my magazine, Cooking with Paula Deen. And this issue will be on the newsstands, I guess sometimes in October.
It's usually like the middle of the month.
The middle of October, and it's the November-December issue of Cooking with Paula Deen. And I wanted to highlight this recipe because of the time of the year it is. And it's called a devil ham spread. And it's perfect for these tailgating months. And it's super simple. And after you get it all together, it needs to sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, because ham appears to have a lot of moisture in it. So you don't want it to get soupy on you, so it needs to firm back up. So I am gonna start with 4 ounces of just a regular ham. And you can actually buy this ham already cubed for omelets and things like that. Thank you, Eddie, I dropped one. And then we're gonna add 4 ounces of country ham. And you know country ham is very, very salty. Okay, so let's get it all in there. And we're gonna pulse this until smooth. For the bag lady, I used to make deviled ham sandwiches, and they're good, but they're messy because I think of the moisture in the ham. Okay, so it's just a matter now of adding the rest of our ingredients. And we're gonna add 4 ounces of cream cheese that's been softened, left to room temperature. We're gonna add, I think it's 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. You know what I used to like, y'all? I don't know if y'all ever ate it, but that canned deviled ham.
Yeah.
Did y'all eat it?
My parents, yes. They always had cans on hand.
Yes, and I liked it on real fresh white bread with mayonnaise.
I liked it on Ritz crackers.
You like it on Ritz cracker? All right. Let's see, how much mustard is this? We've got 1 tablespoon of a whole grain mustard. let's see, I can't remember the exact amounts of ingredients, so I'm just gonna pick it up and read it, y'all. A teaspoon of black pepper. You know, I think I'm gonna wait on the salt because of that country ham and the capers. Capers are salty. So let's see. Okay, we got the mustard. We got 1 tablespoon of capers, 2 teaspoons of minced shallots, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. And I'm gonna use my hot sauce. I just love my brand that we developed. I've worked a long time on this, trying to get somebody that could make it just right for me. And it calls for 2 teaspoons, but you know what? I'm just gonna put maybe 1 teaspoon, and then I'll come back and see, because I do want the children to be able to eat this too. All right, let's see, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Oops, my vision, since my cornea died, I can't tell, like, this is funny, I can't tell, like, when I'm in my bathroom doing my makeup, I can't tell that dripper is not in there. You know, and I'm, it's weird. It's weird. And then we're gonna, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion, spring onion, whatever you call that, but I love them. I love the green onions. All right, so that's it. Our country ham, our smoked deli ham, our cream cheese, mayonnaise, the green onions, whole grain mustard, a tablespoon of capers, shallot, hot sauce, black pepper, and our Worcestershire, and that is it. So, you gotta love these kind of dishes. See if this needs pushing down some. You know how when you're making a cake and you got to stop and push your ingredients back down. That's pretty smooth, don't y'all? Wow, kabow. I know we got to let it sit, but it's still, you know, it's still nice and stiff, even before being refrigerated, so. It's so good, Teresa. Come get your bite and take you back to those potted meat days.
Oh, gosh.
This is so good. I think y'all are gonna just love it. So, come over here and get your baguette. Eddie. I'm gonna fix Eddie a baguette.
Behind you.
Okay. Okay. I'm glad I didn't put any salt in it.
Yeah, it probably doesn't.
Yeah. So serve it with
Great.
That's good.
with toasted baguettes.
I don't even think you have to refrigerate it.
I know. But unless you just want it chilled. So we suggest serving it with like pickled okra, pickled asparagus, and toasted baguettes, or just, we didn't even toast these. So this is gonna be a winner for y'all. What do y'all two think?
Absolutely, I'll be making it.
Yes, so good. I put the whole piece. How's that for a princess bite? The whole piece of okra. Loving best dishes, y'all. Have fun rooting for your favorite team. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.